Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage customer feedback forms in Hubspot CRM. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Hubspot account, which of course I've done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Hubspot? Pretty simple. Launch in the browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type hubspot.com, and that's going to take you to the official website for Hubspot. In the website, check the top right corner of your screen, you're going to find a Get CRM for Free button. Click on that and sign in using an existing account or sign up by creating a new account. Whichever one you choose, once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in HubSpot. So now that we're here, let's hop into today's steps, which is how to create and manage customer feedback forms. From the top corner of your screen, you're going to find a couple tabs: Contact, Conversations, Marketing, Sales, Commerce, Service, Automation, and Reporting. Now you're going to have to head over to the Service tab. Click on that, you're going to find an extended menu that says Feedback Surveys, Knowledge Base, and Customer Portal. Now go ahead and click on Feedback Surveys. And it's going to take you to this window. Awesome. Now I'd like you to know that for you to unlock customer feedback, you need to subscribe to the Service Hub Professional. Now, how do you do that? Go ahead and click on Upgrade to Service Hub Professional or start a free 14-day trial. That's going to help you. So once you get into this particular window, after subscribing, it's going to show you this page, a page that looks like this. Okay, a page that looks like this. First off, you're going to find an option for you to create your survey, and the next is just analysis to analyze the customer feedback. But how do you create and manage the customer feedback forms? All right, so the first thing that you have to do is to the first thing you have to do is head to Service. All right, so in your Hubspot account, then get to Service, which you did in Feedback Surveys. Of course, we want to create a feedback form. So in the up right corner, you're going to find Create Survey. So once you get into this window, after subscribing, at the top right corner of this window, you're going to find an option for you to create your survey. So click on Create Survey. I want you to do that. The next step is to select the delivery method. Now there are 3 delivery methods. One, you can do that via email, you can do that via shareable link, and you can do that via web page. All right, so the survey, which is the email survey, will be sent via email to your customers. All right, so shareable link will allow the survey to be created on a standalone page that you can share through a link, and of course a web page where the survey will be created on one of your website pages. So once you select any of the methods, go ahead and click on Create, and after creating, you're going to see the pencil icon at the top to give a survey a unique name. So click on that and just go ahead and customize the questions you're going to find. Customize it to what suits you. Now, if you're creating an email survey, all right, an email survey feedback form, so in the email settings section, go ahead, you're going to see an email settings section right in that window where you're going to have to create a survey. So click on email settings section, then you can set a survey language, company name, from name, and of course from address for your survey, and you can select the name and address of any user. So go ahead and enter the subject line, okay, and then go ahead and check the advanced settings section of that email section, and you can also select an office location if you would want to do that. So this is what it's going to look like. In the email settings, select language, the company name, from name, address name, subject line. All right, so that's it. And now in the email body section, you can enter a greeting and introduction for your survey, which is what it looks like here. This you're going to see here. So check the email body section and go ahead and fill this out. Enter the greeting, what do you like to greet, and what do you like your introduction to be like. And then in the theme section, you can add your theme, and then you can edit the text of Start Survey button. So enter button next, all right, a button text. Yes, and add images if you want to. You're going to see all of these options, right? Add images, add button text. Just follow the cursor and choose your colors. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So in the building of your survey section, so you're going to find build your survey section, all right, where you can now create this survey. So go ahead and click on that. Now you can select the types of questions you'll be asking your respondent, right? We want to create a customer feedback form, right? So click on the build your survey section in the feedback survey window. So click on that. You're going to see the email section, that's the email survey section, then build your survey section. So click on build your survey section. Now you're going to see a template of questions you're going to find. So go ahead and select the types of questions you'll be asking. Now you can click and drag a question to the right panel to build your survey. All right, so that is it. Now in the right preview screen, you're going to see questions. So click the question to edit its details. Whatever question you're going to find at the top corner, you're going to find the pencil icon. So click on it to edit the question details. Now you can click the toggle to make this field required. You're going to see a toggle for each question to make it required. Or you can click the text box to edit the text format. You can enter hypertext to assist your visitors in completing the survey. And if you're creating a written question, you can click the icon drop down menu to select circle or star to choose the type of icon used. You're going to find all of those options there. So in the feedback property session, where you're going to find in that same window, click on create feedback property to create a new property to store your questions response data. That's if you want to do that. So this is pretty much how you can, of course, manage the you can create and manage your customer feedback forms, right, in HubSpot. Okay, so these are other things that you can definitely know. All right, so there are a lot of options that you're going to find right there that you can just customize to tweak it to what you want. But so far, this is what can actually help you get started in creating and managing your customer feedback forms using the feedback survey method. So that's pretty much. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.